শান্তি হৈছে ঠাণ্ডা ক'লে খাবা দিবা দি খাবা দিব
হেৰি কৰিছে
মোৰ কামত বাপে অকণ লৈছিলোঁ শুকান গোবৰ গাঁৱত তাক কৈছিলোঁ যে শুকান গোবৰটো একদম পাউডাৰ মিহি কৰি ভাঙি পেলাই তাত গুড়া কৰি লৈ নালাগে নালাগে
Thank you.
আমাৰ ৰিপৰ্টবিলাক তাত দিব পাৰিলে ভাল।
পাব্লিক একাউণ্টছ কমিটিৰ চেয়াৰমেনক আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা লগ কৰক, লাগিলে মই ঠিক কৰাই দিম।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
মানুহটো মোৰ লগত ভাল চেয়াৰমেন।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা তো আমাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা কাকতে
অঁ কথা পাতি এদিন ঠিক কৰি লওক আমাৰ
ৰিপৰ্ট পঠোৱাৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰিব লাগে। তেওঁ হয়তো এছেম্বলিত উঠালেহে হ'ব।
মই সুধিছিলোঁ তাক, সি কৈছে মোৰ লগততো এছিষ্টেণ্ট কি অডিট অফিচাৰ এটা আছে এই যি লগত দিয়ে, কৈছে এইটোতো নাই। মই বোলো আপুনি বাতচিত কৰিবচোন নৰেন্দ্ৰ আচাৰৰ লগত।
মোৰ এইবোৰ ভাল নাপায় মানে মোৰ উল্টা
কালি কেতিয়ালৈকে জানিব?
এই 2টা বজালৈকে। তই কি গুচি গ'লি?
মই এটা 10 মানত গুচি গৈছোঁ।
তাকে কৈছোঁ হাজৰিকা ভাতৃত্ব যদি জীয়াই থকাহেঁতেন আমাক যিকেইটা গান বেহুৰা গাইছোঁ হ'লে হয়। এই টানিংটো ভাল নেকি একটু দিয়ে মাৰি দিও খেলা মোবাইল আছে
कैलिफोर्निया बर्न रेशियो रोडের ক্ষেত্রে এটা লাগে দুটো প্যারামিটার আমি বলেছি সিভিয়ার আর ট্রাফিক সেন্সর আর এমএসএ হলো মিডিয়ান বর্ন স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ক্যালিফোর্নিয়ার জন্ম হয়েছিল At 37 specification of 2001 stipulates that for laying VM over WBM VM যখনই হলো তখন গ্লুটামিন চলে আসছে WBM হলো পাথর স্টোন ওয়াটার বন্ড মেকার মিনিমাম থিকনেস কত হবে যেখানে বিটুমিন লাগে
গ্যাস হয়ে যাবো এই মাছ মাছ
আৰু মই গৈ আছো দেবী
এই হেৰি গ্যাস হয়ে যাবো কি হব ইয়ো আরে ভাই তুমি কই না এইফালে খাই যাও দেবে তুই যাও থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ আর যাও তো
खाएगा एकदम चीज अटक जाएगा हाँ रे क्या एकदम फ्रेश माल है भाई दाल है नहीं आप खाएंगे तंदूरी दिया तो आएंगे आप
number audit requisition number and if you now see what I have written AG
Free to share with us, if one of you or two of you or three of you as you like. I would just request you to kindly come over to the podium and share your experience or any suggestion whatever you like to say. And as far as the language is concerned, even you can use our show.
ছুটি কে দেই
Respected PD sir, other faculties and other officials, those who are associated with this institution. 5 days program conducted by RTI Calcutta. Sponsored by our Assam Gom, was a very nice experience, and we have gathered so many things. We have learned so many relative experience. So, thank for that. And I hope this process will be continued for making human resource development. That's all. Now we
Singh, Audit Officer from Director of Local Fund, Assam, respected Principal Director of RTI, and honorable lecturers and staff of the RTI institution. First of all, I thank you all for giving us the valuable suggestions and useful things regarding the various schemes that of PRI and ULB that we mostly require. Since the important part of the training was the case studies and the risk areas to be seen during audit. Generally in our department, I am sharing something, we generally do not have this, we auditors don't get any such first hand from our director that what should be the probable risk areas, what should be our point of view in checking. This generally we don't get. This helps we are not getting from our director. So what you have given to us, these case studies and the probable areas, that those 2 points were very important for us. And I think more classes should be conducted on this point, particular point, so that it will be helpful for us when we go back to our places. There's much difference between the work of AG and our department. Often in our department we face that the accounts do not come in hand in time, and since we have to go for 100% checking, we often don't know in which way we should go so that we can finish the work in that limited time. So the first time, those case studies and the probable areas, risk areas, those were very interesting for us, and I think those were the most important part in our training, because that is necessary for us when we go to the field. Other theories and all we can get it from internet and other things, but the important expertise, the knowledges that the lecturers have shared, our senior auditors and audit officers have shared, those was very important for us. I hope further more trainings will be carried out, and special importance should be given on case studies and risk areas to be seen. Thank you.
Thanks on behalf of RTA to all of you. In general, I think some of the problems you might have faced, I have heard that some problems regarding the electricity, sometimes it went off, and we tried our best, but you know, some of the things are really beyond our control. And I also saw some of your opinions about the refreshment, the lunch package. I don't know, this time we tried every time, every day I kept on touch with my colleagues here, what your feedback, what is your and we instructed the suppliers accordingly. Anyways, some way I feel, what I found that as per your feedback given, that it didn't go in the way we expected. That is it. These two things I found not according to our expectation level, but we'll try to make it up next time. And this is incidentally my last occasion to interact with the auditors from DLF Assam. I am under order of transfer, so I will be most probably handing over charge by the end of this month. So the next batch will be received and welcomed by another principal director. But I am happy that during my tenure this process started, and it not stabilized during my tenure. In fact, during period, because it also, the process was facilitated due to the fact that meanwhile I was also holding charge of AGND Assam as Accounting General Assam for a period of 3 months. At that time I was interacting with the then Director of Local Fund. Just forgot his name. Incidentally, he was also the trained, he was also nationally trained, so he had a lot of understanding and knowledge about how the training should be conducted and all these things, and his knowledge and his initiative had helped us a lot. So by that way it came up, and I hope that it will continue for some time. And I hope also the auditors from Assam will be benefited with this interaction. And we also learned a lot by this way. It's not as though it's the only one-way traffic. How the things are going on in different states, how audit is being conducted there, that we come to know all these things. So with these open expectations, I would like to conclude here. And the RTI as a whole would be happy to receive other training batches from DLF Assam. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. বৰষুণ একেবাৰে সেইফালেও হ'বগৈ, বৰষুণ গৈ আছে আৰু এইফালৰ পৰা। সেইফালেও দিব।
ভালো ভাত 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 ট্রেন মালদহ স্টেশন দেখছিলে বঢ়িয়া ফেসবুক মারিব জানে কিন্তু কিন্তু সালে তোমার সকলই মরণ লাগে তোমালই সালে তোমার সকলই মরণ লাগে তোমালই ও তোরা লই বাপের নিয়ে আমার সিনা আর প্রায় বলে ঠিক আছে মোটামুটি আর প্রায় এদিকে ঠিক আছে ডাক্তারকে নিয়ে দেখিয়ে বাড়িতে আনবো এখানে যে ডাক্তার যেতে চাইবে
উঠিব ধুনীয়াকৈ উঠাব 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 কেলে নুঠাব সেইবোৰ আপলোড কৰিলে এই কিবা হেৰি মই দেখিছোঁ আকৌ ফেচবুকত ফেচবুক নেকি হয় নাই
তারপরে তারপরে ওই বুটটা ওই বুটটা তারপরে ওই
আঙ্কেলের প্রচুর বিষয় এগুলা
ওই বুটটা কি করছে
যাচ্ছে